Welcome to White Cloud Security. In this video, we will review the basic layout and navigation of your dashboard. We will not go into detail on functions and options. Please see our other videos for that information. So let's get started. When you first log in, your dashboard will look like this. There is a top bar and 4 window panels. The last 2 panels are not shown initially to reduce clutter. We specifically designed our window panels to make it easy to view everything you need on small tablets and mobile devices, as you can see when I reduce the window size. Let's look at the top bar to start. You will see the name of your current subgroup. When I change to a different subgroup, you will see this name change at the top and an exit button appears so you can leave the group and go back to your main account. The gear in the top bar gives you access to the global settings for your account. Next to that is your account type. The minus and plus sign help you minimize items in the second window panel. The Show Out Browser button opens and closes the third window panel. The Add Fingerprint button opens the next window to add a fingerprint. And finally, the Show Newsfeed button that opens and closes the fourth window panel. As you may have noticed already, all of our active buttons have a description that is visible when you hover over them with the cursor. So if you're not sure what a button does, use your cursor to find out. Let's look at navigation in the first window panel. At the top of the panel, you see a row of shortcut buttons. Each of these corresponds to a button on the full panel below, which may be hidden in shortcut mode. These buttons take you to information on apps, advisors, hosts, and subgroups. The last button, with the silhouette head, is very helpful. It brings you right back to the home view for the first panel. The gear icon takes you to the settings for this group. In the second window panel, there are a number of straightforward button options related to advisors and hosts. The third window panel is your trusted app browser with 2 ways of displaying your apps, by vendor name or by app name, with some filter options. Click on either the vendor or app button to refresh your list. When looking at specific elements, you can use a back arrow on the left to return to your prior list. The fourth window panel is your newsfeed that displays your advisor activity. The gear icon lets you filter the list. In the newsfeed, you can rate specific items with comments or likes and dislikes similar to social media. And you can click on any of the advisors listed to see their profile. Navigating back to a previous screen is easy using the breadcrumbs or the home button, which takes you back to the subgroup you were in previously. And that's it for layout and navigation. And thank you for using White Cloud Security.